tea, a source of antioxidants and caffeine, has several possible benefits. Research has found that the health benefits of green tea may include alleviating anxiety and stress, enhancing memory, and reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol. 1. Alleviates anxiety and stress. Tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which alleviates anxiety and stress, helping you relax. 2. Helps protect against cognitive decline. Some evidence suggests that drinking green tea helps protect against certain neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Green tea has a high concentration of antioxidants, which may protect against cell damage that raises the risk of chronic illnesses. 3. Helps support bone health. Green tea may lower your risk of osteoporosis, a bone disease that increases the risk of hip, spine, and wrist fractures. Postmenopausal people have the highest risk of osteoporosis. 4. Improves longevity. Drinking green tea may help support living a healthy long life. Green tea is a source of polyphenols,